2 foam dyed. Box 4. Oh, there's a big one in here. Uh-oh. That's a big one. Oh, there's a... Let's friggin'... Oh, it's an LS2. Yay! I got a couple of these already. It's got bigger hubs on it, though. I don't know what it is. LS2, is it? Shocks look familiar. Oh, you just got compression. Holy crap. Where's the big thing? Oh, baby. Yeah, bodies and tires and big wheels. What's got a Hummer body? Dang. What's a Hummer? Big nubbies. There's some pretty fancy ribs, man. Holy shit. What? Hubcaps and everything. That's gonna be something pretty and shiny. Ooh. Different kinds of bodies too. Pico. It's got a Pico in it. Oh. This is too much fun. Oh, Jesus. Boxes. Oh, God. I'll have to take a day off work. Aww. That's right. That's the knife right there. My lobster knife. Oh, I like big stuff.
Oh wow, that's sexy looking. Oh yeah.
It's a twin Titan. It's a HUuge. The twin Titan.
Mmm.
It is too. Yay.
You could eat my Stampede for lunch.
An old one too.
That's nice.
That could be your truck.
Yeah. Pretty truck. Pretty other truck.
What the hell is that? Batteries. I don't know what it is, but it's a big drive shaft. It's the starting platform of a wonderful buggy. It's definitely old because I've never seen a drive shaft like that on anything. It's the world's first Emax. Cool. Oh. Big tires.
Looks like tin cans stuck to it.
What's this?
Charger?
This is the world's first charger. And nickel cadmium or nickel metal halide. Cool. Temperature sensor and a fan. It's got a dial and everything. It's way different than the lipo chargers I've ever had. Cool. Oh, I see Jeep.
Oh, cute.
Really?
It's not an unlimited. All of them are unlimited and long.
Oh.
That one's really, I like that one. I like that one.
What, you like that one?
Yeah.
Alright, go. One more to go.
Final box. Other than the box under the box. Oh no, that one's open.
Oh, I'm tired. Double take this one.
It must have something special in it. Like a spider. Oh wow, it's got a lot of stuff in it. Oh my goodness, it's Cruella de Vil's car.
There's a cool body. Ooh. 27T. That'd be cool, make a roaster. Hummer. Remember Hummer? Ooh, another one of these cars. A nitro one. Sandmaster. Super suspension. Team Koyosho International. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, these. Holy smokes, what the frick is that? See if I can get it in here. It's huge.
Holy crap. It's the front of an 18-wheeler.
Mm-hmm. Dual shocks.
Peterbilt. See, it says in the front.
Okay, that's crazy looking.
You wanted one of those too? Is it? It's nitro. It's got a gas tank or some sort of tank.
Is there something here? Thunder Tiger.
Wow.
That's huge.
That's awesome.
Wow. I'll take the body out. The last one's always the best. Wow, that's a tank. Oh, center different everything. Wow. That's quite the tank. Look at the size of that nitro motor. Holy crap. Like, Jesus. Pro. What size is it? Can't see. It's a 40. Oh, can't see. A 70. What? What in the hell? A 70 nitro? And what? I gotta run it.
It's gonna be so noisy.
Daddy's gonna have to start this. Well, there you go. Thank you, guy. I'm gonna be playing with stuff for the next month. Cool. Oh. I don't do that first. I'll do a video after one on the show.